EarnWithGod.com review. Is this platform legit? If you've come across EarnWithGod.com and you're wondering whether it's a genuine faith-based earning platform or something that deserves a much closer look before you engage with it, you're asking exactly the right question. Today we're breaking down everything about this platform so you can make an informed decision. EarnWithGod.com presents itself as a platform that combines faith-based messaging with an income opportunity, positioning itself as a way for people to earn money through a religiously framed program or system. That combination of spiritual messaging and financial promise is one that immediately warrants careful scrutiny because it's a pairing that has historically been used to lower the guard of well-meaning people looking for trustworthy opportunities. Starting with the website itself, the design leans heavily on religious imagery and language designed to build emotional trust quickly. While there is nothing inherently wrong with a faith-based business, using religious framing as the primary trust signal rather than transparent business credentials is a pattern worth noting. Legitimate platforms earn trust through verifiable track records, not through emotional or spiritual appeals alone. The income claims made on or around the platform are vague. There is limited specific detail about exactly how earnings are generated, what the underlying business model is, or how users are actually compensated. When a platform is light on the mechanics of how money is made and heavy on motivational or faith-based messaging, that imbalance is a significant red flag. Independent customer reviews for EarnWithGod.com are extremely scarce across established and trusted review platforms. A legitimate earning platform that has been delivering real value to real users would have accumulated a verifiable body of feedback by now. The absence of that external track record makes it very difficult to assess whether anyone has genuinely profited from this platform in a meaningful and sustainable way. Transparency around the people behind the platform is also limited. There is no clearly identifiable founding team, company registration information, or regulatory compliance detail visible. In any space that involves earning or financial activity, that level of anonymity should be treated as a serious concern. The referral or recruitment element that appears connected to the platform is another area that deserves attention. When income is tied significantly to recruiting others rather than to a clearly defined product or service, it raises questions about whether the model is sustainable or whether it resembles a structure that primarily benefits early participants at the expense of later ones. Overall, EarnWithGod.com combines several characteristics that are commonly associated with unreliable or potentially misleading platforms. The faith-based framing, vague income claims, limited transparency, and absent independent reviews create a profile that is difficult to endorse. Approaching this platform with serious caution and conducting thorough independent research before engaging with any paid or recruitment elements is strongly advised. Now let's look at the pros and cons. EarnWithGod.com raises significant concerns across multiple areas including transparency, income claim clarity, and independent verification of user results. The use of faith-based messaging as a primary trust mechanism rather than verifiable business credentials is a pattern that has been used in misleading platforms before. The absence of a clear and honest explanation of how earnings are generated makes it impossible to assess this as a legitimate income opportunity at this stage. Until independent reviews and transparent business information emerge, engaging with this platform financially carries substantial risk.